There is a category of software that every team eventually acquires, uses inconsistently for 6 months, abandons, migrates to a competitor, and then argues about again at the next all-hands. Project management software is that category. The market is worth over $20 billion globally. There are dozens of credible options, and yet research consistently shows that teams waste an estimated 10 hours per person per week on poor coordination, unclear ownership, and duplicated work, even when they have PM software in place. The problem is almost never the software. It is the mismatch between the software structure and how a specific team actually works. The 4 tools that dominate most shortlists in 2026 are Asana, Monday.com, Notion, and ClickUp. They share a common core. You can create tasks, assign them to people, set due dates, and track status. Beyond that core, they diverge significantly in philosophy. Asana is built around structured project workflows and task dependencies. It rewards teams that operate with defined processes and consistent project templates. Monday is built around flexibility and visual boards. It looks like a spreadsheet crossed with a Kanban board and is highly customizable without requiring technical knowledge. Notion occupies a unique position in the landscape because it is not primarily a project management tool. It is a connected workspace that does project management among other things. Notion's strength is documentation, knowledge management, and linking information together. Teams that live in Notion use it for their wiki, their meeting notes, their project tracking, and their SOPs in the same system. The weakness is that its project management features, while functional, are less mature than dedicated PM tools. Notion is excellent for knowledge work teams and solo operators. It struggles with complex multi-team project execution at scale. ClickUp positions itself as the everything app, the tool that replaces all other tools, with features that span task management, docs, goals, time tracking, chat, and whiteboarding. The breadth is both its selling point and its liability. For teams willing to invest in setup and training, ClickUp can genuinely consolidate multiple subscriptions into one. For teams that want something they can be productive in on day one, the surface area is overwhelming. The customization options in ClickUp are unmatched, and the risk is that teams customize endlessly and manage their project management system instead of managing their actual projects. Pricing in 2026 has converged in a band that most teams find manageable. Asana starter plan is $11 per user per month billed annually, fine for small teams, expensive for large ones. Monday's basic plan is $9 per user. ClickUp's business plan is $12 per user. Notion's Plus plan is $10 per user. All 4 have free tiers with meaningful limitations. The real cost consideration is not the subscription price. It is the hours spent in onboarding, migration, training, and the recurring argument about whether the team should switch. That hidden cost often exceeds the subscription cost for the first year. The honest recommendation for most teams is to match the tool to the team's primary workflow. If you run structured projects with defined phases, marketing campaigns, product launches, client deliverables, Asana is the most purpose-built choice. If you need maximum flexibility with a gentle learning curve, sales operations, event planning, cross-functional coordination, Monday is the most accessible. If knowledge management and documentation are as important as task tracking, product teams, consultancies, solo operators, Notion is the right bet. If you want one tool that handles everything and you are willing to invest in setup, engineering teams, agencies, power users, ClickUp rewards the investment. The worst outcome is picking the most popular option rather than the most appropriate one.